All of your children are now just grown and
Wow,
tall. I'm like,
so
where are the
sad.
babies? Pretty soon it's going to be quinceanera time, right?
I'm in the thick of it. But we're not doing quinceañeras.
Okay.
We're doing a non-quinceañera.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 3725B, State versus Jacqueline Wallace. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Rochelle Sevilla for Ms. Wallace.
And are you Jacqueline Wallace?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jacqueline Nicole Wallace who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of aggravated robbery on April 3rd, 2023 for a period of 9 years?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, still proceeding, motions to enter adjudication of guilt, violation condition number 40. On or about the 11th day of October 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Jacqueline Nicole Wallace, the defendant there failed to comply with the instructions of the Alpha Home as directed by the head or authorized personnel of that agency. In the defendant rejected treatment admission, violation of condition number 40.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will waive all other violations. Your Honor.
Any objection to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 40, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
Up to life in prison for not complying. That's. But I assume she's a career criminal. That this 9-year stint is not her first one.
True to violation of condition number 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 40 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there's 4 years.
It's, the minimum is 5.
Whoopsie.
They have 1 minute.
Sure.
Prosecution, please. If the minimum is 5, then it's yeah. Oh, so for non-compliance, yeah, aggravated robbery, 9 years, a 9-year stint, and then she decides to be a non-compliance. Yeah, but life? That sounds a bit harsh.
Any objection to the court reviewing the previous stipulations?
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, I mean, we've been watching a few Texas trials here with absolutely horrific crimes. I haven't seen one with parole or anything, but yeah.
Oh. So what has she done since she's been on probation? Have you done anything on probation?
No, ma'am. No.
All right, so why shouldn't you want to raise your right hand for me?
So you got a 9-year stint, you got out on parole, and you decided, hey, screw it. Why? Well, for some career criminals, they just keep going. I don't know if she is, but yeah.
solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jacqueline Wallace.
All right, so why shouldn't I sentence you to life in prison? You have done nothing on probation.
Well, I don't have an answer for that. I really don't have an answer for that.
All right, because I'm not inclined to give you the minimum because you haven't done anything on probation.
Right, I understand that.
All right.
You should have been
Court is finding
prepared.
violation of condition number 40 true. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of the deadly weapon.
Oh,
There's to be no contact with the complainants.
so she had 9 years. She got out on probation, decided to be a moron, and now she gets an additional 10 years. Yeah, if you have stipulations to your probation, do them. Do them. Do I believe 10 is a bit excessive? Yeah, but folks, I'm Swedish. You barely get 10 years for manslaughter here.
Probation, was there any restitution that was owed?
Amount was $2,000. That went to Margie Claudio,
Mhm.
and none of that has been paid.
All right. There's to be restitution to Margie. You say Claudio
Yes, Judge.
in the amount of $2,000. And there's to be no contact with Margie Marie Claudio and Renee Pantino. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
All right, so you have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Yes.
Come here.
Night mag rejection form. Thank you, Emily.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I don't know who she is, but I mean, I could see she's starting to get gray hair. Or so she's not a youngster anymore. That defendant. So 9 year stint, got out on probation and decided, screw the stupid whatever I had to do. Yeah, and you're in Texas. You should know what might happen. Do I agree with it? No, I do believe this is a bit excessive. But you're in Texas.